This is a quick and easy way to add dynamic effects to your video. So let's dive right into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the official CapCut website. Now, create new project. Next, import your media. Click on the import button and select the video you want to edit. I'm selecting this. Click on open. And here you can see the video here. Now, drag and drop it to the main timeline. Now select the clip. You will see various options here. Before adding keyframes on your video, click the point that you want to add keyframes, like I'm adding this point. You can either click on scaling option or transform option. The easiest way is to click on transform option. So I'm clicking on the diamond button here. Click. I want the zoom effects on here. Now just drag and zoom the panel right here. Now let's check. Play. As you can see, we have successfully created a zoom effect. Now, if you want to create a zoom out effect, just click on this keyframe option and drag it where you want to zoom out. Like I want to zoom out at here, releasing this bar, scaling this to the original place. You can adjust it from here. And now let's check it again. As you can see, it's slowly going back to its original form. And that's it. Continue adding keyframes at different points and make adjustment. CapCut will animate the changes smoothly between each keyframe, giving your video a dynamic effect. Once you are happy with your keyframes, preview your video to make sure everything looks good. You can make further adjustment if it needed. When you're satisfied, click on export option and click on this video part and click on export. And that's it. You have successfully added keyframes in CapCut on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.